What is a cryptocurrency?
Many cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks built upon blockchain technology. That's a bit overcomplicated, but it's important, as many of these cryptocurrencies networks are distributed amongst a large amount of computers. That's important also because no one entity, business or country can control it like a traditional currency. That's what sets crypto apart. And that's why potentially your likes of the government, legacy banks don't like it.
How does crypto have value?
Back in the day, currencies used to be representative of a fixed amount of a commodity, like gold or silver. When the sterling moved away from the gold standard, it became a fiat currency. In other terms, the value is driven by people who had or have faith that it will be accepted as a form of payment. Much can be said about cryptocurrency. The value of a fiat currency comes from the trust in the government that issues it. The value of a cryptocurrency comes from the trust of that cryptocurrency and the technology that underpins it, along with its adoption. The more it's used, the more real it becomes.